You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buenos dias. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this city in central Mexico. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing names, or names many mispronounce in English from Spanish. San Luis Potosi. Potosi, because you have this accent on the end of C. Potosi, you have to stress on that Potosi syllable. San Luis Potosi. It's easy. San Luis Potosi. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.